Hi folks, today we have this really nice Ford Ranger, all blacked out, murdered look. To this one we've added a big audio upgrade, full X-Fire sound system, speakers, subwoofers, amps, etc. It's been remapped, so it's got a lot more power now. We've also added a TV tuner into the front screens and some rear screen entertainment as well. A little quick example, show it you all working. Okay, so there's the original screen working as normal. Flick this switch here, and now we've got our USB video working, audio through all the touch buttons, got a television tuner. We've also then got full mobile mirroring as well. So really brought this truck up to date. I'm going to go to the back now. There's not much else to show on the speakers because basically they're all hidden and behind the panels. So I'm just going to jump in here. Here we have a nice 10-inch Rosen screen playing USB video. There we go. It's also a DVD player, HDMI and internet. The other unit is connected to the Wi-Fi in the car, and now we've got Netflix working. Obviously it'll mirror, but we can also have all sorts of toys working. Real cool combo. 3-zone system, but it can all run as one as well. Thank you for watching. Any information, it's B&B Audio Concepts, 02920 707 275. Ask for Waz. Thank you. And today we are remapping the truck.
I'm on fire. Yeah. I'm on fire. DJ Astonish. I'm on fire. Da Vinci. I'm on fire. Trafficking boy, you don't gotta care for me. Don't gotta fall in love with me. Girl, just be there for me. The door, we don't need a key. Hop up in that Uber, yeah. Get the one you can with, yeah. Good when the phone rings. Destination's in the air. You know when you get there, you gon' have to stare. Looking at the stars like we here. You gon' need some sorcery to hop out of that phantom like a prodigy. I treat you like you're supposed to be, as long as you promise me to be the one I remember, see. All them girls just come and go, all over my heart, you know. You I wanna know for sure, you I wanna keep for sure. Girl, you already know I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. It's gonna be hard to extinguish me. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Once I invade your privacy, you don't really gotta care. Girl, let's be two for that. Do something raw to share. Spend the whole week in here. We could have our own affair. Do this on the rocking chair. I could be a teddy bear. I'm already a millionaire. Fuck you till you get the mountain man. Listen, warfare. I got the savoir-faire.